Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. So in today's video we are going to talk about facial hair trimmers, and together we are going to bust some of the myths that surround them, because it's high time we got the inside scoop and set the record straight. So grab your trimmers and let's learn some truth about facial hair trimmers. So myth number 1 is trimming causes your hair to grow back thicker. So it is one of the most common myths that surround facial trimming, is that once you start trimming your facial hair, they grow back thicker, darker and faster. This is the first myth that I would like to bust today. The fact is that trimming does not remove hair from the root, and the regrowth might feel a little blunt. The tip might feel a little coarse or stubbly for some time, but once it grows back, it feels absolutely normal. And believe me, it does not become thicker at all. Myth number 2 is trimming can cause skin sensitivity. As someone who uses facial trimmers regularly, I can confidently say that this isn't true at all. In fact, facial trimmers are suitable for even very sensitive skin types. I have never experienced skin sensitivity or inflammation after using this facial hair removal product.
Personally, I love using Philips cordless facial hair remover, which is specially designed for women. I particularly use it for upper lip hair removal at home. When I used it for the first time, I was amazed to see the results. It removed even the finest hair on my upper lip, chin, cheeks and jawline. The reason I find the Philips cordless facial hair remover the best hair removal product for women is because it has some amazing features. Check out its wide round head, which offers great coverage and does not cause any skin irritation or redness. It has a compact, lightweight design, makes it perfect for hair removal on the go. Oh, and when you remove the cap, you will find this built-in mirror, which makes it ideal for quick touch-ups wherever you are.
Third myth is hair trimmer causes pain. While other methods of hair removal like waxing, threading or epilating can be painful, this is not true for a hair trimmer. The facial hair removal tool gives you excellent result without causing any irritation or damage to the skin, which means no cuts or nips while removing facial hair. I sometimes get inflamed skin after shaving. That is the reason why it's not my preferred method of facial hair removal at all. Myth number 4 is hair trimmers are expensive. Some might argue that facial hair trimmers cost a lot without realizing the fact that it's a one-time investment. For most hair trimmers, you just have to replace batteries after a certain period of time. Plus, trimmers are low maintenance. They can be used anytime, anywhere. I haven't looked back ever since I started using Philips facial hair remover, because it is super convenient and it also saves me from spending money at the salons constantly. Myth number 5 is trimmer can cause acne. Believe me, trimming does not cause any acne or breakout. In fact, trimming is a practice that maintains the skin hygiene by keeping it clean and smooth. Use a face wash before you trim your face, and the Philips facial hair remover can be washed so that the hygiene can be maintained. So you can wash it once you are done with the hair remover, wipe it clean with a soft cloth and just keep it back, which means you can maintain the hygiene. So what do you guys think about facial hair trimmers now that we have discussed and busted 5 myths, 5 most common myths to be honest? So I will highly recommend you guys to give it a go. I'm going to link Philips cordless facial hair remover in the info box below. Do not forget to check it out. If you have any further queries about the Philips facial hair trimmer, just leave them in the comments below. I'll get back to you with the answers as soon as possible. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.